My name is Dam. I stay in Goa, Donapala, Baywatch. We spend half the time here and half the time in Himachal. Safety is there. In kinds of emergency, it goes down to the ground floor. We don't have any children at home, but children visited us. They enjoyed it, and we till now we haven't faced any such problem. We specially taken this lift for my father who has difficulty climbing, and they enjoy it. When the electricity sometime is off, then it goes down to the ground floor. That's the feel. Otherwise, I have not come across anything like that. Oh, this is a very good looking lift. That's no doubt about it. It's very good looking. It is impressive when you enter the house, when you see the lift, it is very good looking. Screws and all, I haven't thought about it. Yeah, it's a smart looking lift. Yeah, I will suggest for the Nibav Home elevator to people who visited. Even this company people also showed it to a lot of their prospective buyers.